A quick video to show you how to use the Pixlr X AI generator. So if you followed the link, your page will look something like this. What you'll need to do is where it says description prompt, that's where you type what you want your image to be about. So for example, if I say tent with a campfire and I click generate, it'll take a little while and it will generate some images. There you go. Now, what I can also do is on the right hand side here, I can select some things. So first of all, I can select the format. So whether I want it wide, square, or tall. I can also select a style. So for example, I'm feeling craft clay might be the way to go today. I can select a color or tone. So I can say I want it in really vibrant colors. I can also select some lighting options, and I can select some composition options. So for example, I wanted shot from above. Okay. As I select it, your description prompt includes all of these things. I then click generate again, and the program then takes all of those prompts that you've given and attempts to generate an image that matches your description. Sometimes your description will be enough and it'll produce a great image. Otherwise, other times it will not be enough. For example, let's say I want a picture of a rat and a mouse eating sweets. Let's see how it goes with that prompt. There we go. So in this case, you can see that it didn't quite understand my prompt. It only gave me one or the other. It didn't give me a rat and a mouse. I can modify my prompt. I can also add additional instructions in additional sentences. And I can change the styles again as I go. There we go. So one of the other things you can do is there's a variations button. So if you like this image and you want more like it, I can click variations. And then it generates additional images that are similar to the original one that you have selected there, that you produced. There you go. So these are similar images, but not exactly. So I can then also open it and I can use Pixlr to edit it. For those of you who know Photoshop, it has a lot